Yo, what's up everyone? It's Tanvi here, and today we're diving deep into the top trending skills you need to crush it in 2025. The job market is evolving faster than ever, so staying ahead of the curve is key. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative soul, or just starting your career journey, this video is your roadmap to future-proofing your skill set. We're talking data analytics, project management, creative design, and a whole lot more. So if you're ready to level up and unlock some serious career potential, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get into it. First up, we've got data analytics. This field is exploding right now, and for good reason. Businesses are swimming in data, and they need people who can make sense of it all. We're talking about extracting valuable insights from raw data, using tools like SQL to wrangle databases, Power BI to create stunning visualizations, and even Python for some serious machine learning magic. Imagine being able to predict customer behavior, optimize marketing campaigns, or even identify growth opportunities. Data analytics is your superpower. Next, let's talk about project management. This is all about bringing order to chaos, leading teams, and delivering results on point. Think of it like conducting an orchestra. You've got to keep everyone in sync, manage resources effectively, and navigate any unexpected roadblocks. From planning and risk management to stakeholder communication, mastering these skills can make you an invaluable asset to any team. Whether you're building software, launching a marketing campaign, or even organizing a music festival, project management skills are universally applicable. Now let's get creative. In a world saturated with content, standing out is more important than ever. That's where creative design comes in. We're talking about captivating visuals, engaging videos, and a brand identity that pops. Think graphic design, video editing, three-dimensional animation. These skills are in high demand across industries. And hey, don't forget about the digital landscape. SEO and brand identity design are crucial for reaching your target audience online. Now, while technical skills are essential, let's not forget about the human element. Communication, adaptability, critical thinking, and creativity. These are the soft skills that set you apart. Being able to communicate your ideas clearly, adapt to changing circumstances, think critically to solve problems, and tap into your creative side. These are invaluable assets in any field. Think about it. The most successful teams are built on strong communication and collaboration. The ability to adapt to new technologies and ways of working is essential in our ever-evolving world. So we've covered the skills, but what about the jobs themselves? Well, get ready for some exciting opportunities. Software development and data science, cybersecurity, cloud computing, AI, and machine learning. These fields are booming. We're talking about building the apps we use every day, making sense of massive data sets, protecting our digital world, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. The future is here, and it's powered by technology and driven by innovation. So, there you have it, the top trending skills you need to dominate in 2025. Remember, the job market is always evolving, so continuous learning is key. Whether you're diving deep into data analytics, mastering the art of project management, or unleashing your inner creative genius, embrace the challenge and never stop growing. The future belongs to those who are adaptable, skilled, and ready to seize the opportunities ahead. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.